Alright, hey pack leaders, here friends are protecting families, protecting pack. Someone had asked me to do a cinder block staircase update, so let's go ahead and take. We've gone through many rainy days here in Texas, so it has held up. It's not, didn't sink or anything. There's nothing else on it. So I'm gonna walk through it. Got some dirt over it, but whatever. I guess you can kind of spray it if you like, or the rain could maybe wash it away or whatever. But yeah, it's been pretty good, other than like we didn't cement it properly at one point so that some of these blocks would actually lift up. I think I got a couple of loose ones here, but when you do this, you're gonna have to, we weren't really we were new to masonry, that you have to kind of use a scraper and spread the cement on the underside of this and on the bottom side of where you put it on. And once it's spread on, it pushes the cement into these grooves of the I guess the little pockets here on it that make it stick to that. And then when you combine the two together, then the mortar kind of seals itself together. So other than that, it's just this on top of this on top of that, and then there's really nothing in between here. I didn't put any cement in between, but otherwise it's kind of held up pretty good. I wouldn't say it's perfectly laid or anything like that, but even though it's wet and sandy and muddy, and I don't see it kind of sliding into the lake. At least that's so far I haven't seen that. Maybe there's a little bit of bowing here, I don't know. Maybe we just didn't do it right or placed it right. It's a little bit of a, I don't know, bowing, you kind of see it, but other than that, I think it'll last a few years. Maybe until we move. So other than that, yeah, it's a dollar per cinder block, and another dollar for the caps. So looking at $2, 2, 4, 6, 8, $8 per step times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you're looking at maybe $160 for some staircase, and then add some mortar to it, $200 maybe. I mean less than that. And case, we're looking online for other staircase solutions, and man, they were just way too expensive for a set of stairs. So, and then we just added some of these more capstones as a little pathway to get to our deck. Yeah, it's easy to do. Just dig, start at the bottom and just kind of dig a little flat area to put your cinder blocks in, level it off the best you can with a leveler, and just keep stacking. And I do put the cinder blocks on top of each other, like just there's a little bit of a lip or edge, so kind of put each cinder block on top of each other that way, so they kind of overlap a little bit, and then make your steps, and then just keep going till you hit the top. All right, hopefully that helps, and yeah, go for it, DIY it. Thanks.